The Ministry of Agriculture, Fisheries, Marine Resources, and Cooperatives is hosting its annual World Food Day week of activities. On Saturday, 15th October, Ministers World Food Day address, 7:30 p.m. Sunday, 16th October, church service at Antioch Baptist Church, 9:30 a.m. Sunday, October 16, Newtown Fisheries Cooperative Society Fishing Tournament. Monday, 17th October, school visits, 8:30 a.m. Tuesday, 18th October, Agri-Pink Panel discussion at Pink Zone, 8 p.m. to 9:30 p.m. Visit to St. Christopher Children's Home and Mental Health Center, 10 a.m. Home garden kit donation, 9 a.m. Wednesday, 19th October, gardening tools donation, 10 a.m. Fat exhibition at Department Marine Resources, 9 a.m. to 2 p.m. Thursday, 20 October, food hamper distribution, 9 a.m. Food Heroes prize giving ceremony at Echo Park, 5 p.m. Friday, 21st October, World Food Day, night market at Bastia Public Market, 5 p.m. Friday, 21st October, St. Christopher Outreach Food Drive, 10:30 a.m. Saturday, 22nd October, Specs Food Fair, Cook-Off and Rabbit Fest at Echo Park, 2:30 p.m. And finally, Sunday, 23rd October, Specs Farmers Retreat, 4:30 p.m. Join with us as we celebrate World Food Day under the theme, Leave No One Behind.